Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix lag problem on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to device care. Now just select storage. From here, just make sure that your smartphone storage is not full. If your smartphone storage is full, just delete any unwanted data from your smartphone, like any duplicated images or any app which you are not using. After that, just go back and go to display. Then tap on motion and smoothness and select high. Now once you have done that, just go back and in the search bar, just search this. Now just enable reduce animations. Now just go back and go to software update. Now from here, just check if your smartphone has any software update available. If your smartphone has any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. To do that, just open your control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix the lag problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.